I needed some alone time today, so I took a walk without Waffles. He wasn't exactly happy about that. But, I just needed some time. It's Valentine's Day, so of course Sunny's on my mind. It took a long time for me to break Sunny into Valentine's Day. He hated it. Not because of the commercialism, like, a lot of people say. He didn't like Valentine's Day because, well, he just didn't have a lot of people in his life that really loved him. At least not the way that I loved him. He had been hurt a lot. But eventually he came around, and our Valentine's days were just beautiful. Whether we did, something special or not, we enjoyed each other's company so much. He was my everything. I miss him so much. I was really blessed to have him.